Good morning, everyone. In last online class, we have started the chapter nervous system and the structure of neuron, type of nerves we already discussed. But in this video, I am going to explain the structure of neuron and the types properly. The nervous system control all the activities of the human body or the other animals also. The brain is the control center, control all the activities of the human body. The nervous system consists of neuron, or we can say the structural and functional unit of nervous system is neuron. The neuron is also called nerve cell. As we already know, it is the longest cell in the body. The neuron consists of three parts. The part that consists the nucleus is cytone or cell body, or we call perikaryon also. The part that contains the nucleus is cytone, cell body and perikaryon. This is structure like the other eukaryotic cell, other organelles like mitochondria, Golgi body, ER, other organelles are also present like the other cells. The protoplasmic extension, these are the thread-like extension of the protoplasm, they are called dendrite. The small hair-like projection extended from protoplasm of the cytone. The one of the dendrite is longer and form the axon. The whole structure is axon. The axon is also known as nerve fiber. The nerve fiber is covered by a sheath or covering. This sheath is called myelin sheath. Myelin sheath, and this sheath is not covered the axon fully. It has the gap in between. This gap is called node of Ranvier. Node of Ranvier. And the axon ending. This is the end of the axon, terminal end of the axon. So, axon ending. So, all over the structure is the dendrite, cytone, axon, axon ending, myelin sheath, and the gap is node of Ranvier. The dendrite receive the impulse, receive the message, and transmit the impulse to the cytone. Cytone conduct the impulse or message to the axon, and when axon reach up to the axon ending, here the another neuron is there. Here the another neuron is there and the dendrite of another neuron also. The impulse transmit from the axon ending of the one neuron to the axon and the dendrite of the another neuron. The message transmit from the axon ending of the one neuron to the dendrite of another neuron. This small gap, the gap between the two neurons, is called synapse. The small gap between the two neuron means the axon ending of one neuron and dendrite of another neuron. This small gap is called synapse. The neuron are of three types. On the basis of function, they are of three types. Number one, sensory neuron, or also called afferent neuron. Sensory neuron or afferent neuron. And the next one is motor neuron or efferent neuron. And the third one is association neuron or connecting neuron. The afferent or the sensory neuron is one that transmits the impulse from receptor to the sensory neuron carry the impulse from receptor to CNS. Receptor, in last class I already discussed the receptors are the spatial cells. The spatial cells that are found in the sense organ that receive the impulse. So the sensory neuron is one which carry the impulse or transmit the impulse from receptor to CNS. CNS means central nervous system, which consists brain and spinal cord. The motor neuron or the efferent neuron, which transmit the impulse from brain or the CNS to effector. From the sense organ, from the receptor to the brain or spinal cord, and from CNS to effector. They bring the message from CNS to effector. What are effectors? Effectors are the muscles or glands which perform response. For example, when we touch the hot plate, we withdraw the hand instantaneously. The withdrawal of hand is due to the contraction of muscles. So our body function is performed by, our response is performed either by muscles or the gland. Number third, the association neuron. The association neuron which transmit the impulse, which connect both the neuron. They transmit impulse from one neuron to the another without touching with each other. Without touching, because there is a gap between the two neurons. So association neuron, they communicate through synapse. From one neuron to another, for example, the afferent neuron is there, the efferent neuron is there, and between them there is a association neuron. So it transmits the impulse from one neuron to the another without touching them. So these are the three types of neuron. And the axon. The axon bundled together. For example, these are the axon. The axon bundled together and form the nerve. Not the cytone bundle, only the axon, only the bundle of axon in a sheet, in a cover, and form the nerve. The nerves are of also three types: the sensory nerves, the motor nerves, and the mixed nerve. And the third one is mixed nerve. Sensory nerve, motor nerve, and the third one is the mixed nerve. The sensory nerve, or we can say the sensory nerve that carry the impulse, from Same definition is there from sense organ to the CNS. But the sensory nerve is made up of axon of only sensory neuron. The example of sensory neuron is optic nerve. Optic nerve that carry the impulse from eye to the brain. Auditory nerve that carry the impulse from ear to the brain. Olfactory nerve. And the motor nerve that carry the impulse from CNS to the effector. The example of motor nerve that the nerves which bring the message, we bring the impulse from brain to the effector. For example, the muscles which bring the order, which bring the impulse from brain to the eye, and the eye can be rotate, the eyeball can be rotate. So that is the example of motor nerve. The mixed nerve, the nerves which are found in the spinal cord and brain. The nerves which are found in the spinal cord and brain are mixed nerve. It means it perform both the function. Both the function, it carry the impulse from receptor to the CNS, and they perform the both function, or we can say they perform the both the function. They carry the impulse towards the brain and bring the message from the brain. So sensory nerve, motor nerve, and mixed nerve. The nervous system of human consists of brain, spinal cord, and nerves. The brain and spinal cord form the CNS. The CNS means central nervous system, which consists brain and spinal cord. The nervous system consists of three, that is the three types or divided into three parts. Central nervous system, PNS, peripheral nervous system, and the autonomous nervous system. The central nervous system, that is CNS, peripheral nervous system PNS, and ANS, autonomous nervous system. But in your syllabus only the CNS we discuss in detail. The nerves I already discussed. The nerves are the bundle of axon. And the CNS, for example, this is the brain and spinal cord. The brain, and this is the spinal cord. The spinal cord arises from the ventral part of the brain. From the basal part of the brain. The basal part, end part of the brain is medulla. We discuss it later. The medulla, connection with medulla, the spinal cord emerges. The nerves which arises from the brain are called cranial nerves. The nerves which arises from the brain are called cranial nerves, and they are of 12 pair. Number of cranial nerves are 12 pair. And the nerves arises from the spinal cord are 31 pair. And these are called spinal nerves. The cranial nerves, example, optic nerve, auditory nerve, olfactory nerve, and the 31 pair spinal nerve. These nerves are connected to the spinal cord and extend throughout the human body. And the except head. In head the cranial nerves are there, And in the spinal cord, the spinal nerves are emerges that bring the message, bring the impulse from the other parts of the body except the head. There are 31 pair. The cranial nerves are 12 pair and the spinal nerves are 31 pair. Now we discuss the detail about the central nervous system, that is brain.